Happy Tuesday, everyone. This is Christian Nabush, licensed real estate agent with Real Broker, and I help families buy and sell homes here in the Gulf Coast communities of Pinellas County. Now, if that's of interest to you, please give me a call at 727-303-1521 or shoot me a DM at CD Selling St. Pete on all my social media, and we can go over some of your options available. First of all, I want to bring to your attention a beautiful home. It's actually a penthouse condo that's been on the market for a bit that just recently had a price reduction in the last 48 hours. So Premier Sotheby's International Realty has listed a 3-bedroom, 3.5 bath, 2,594 square foot penthouse with Tina Newby as a listing agent. And this 2-story penthouse has had a recent price reduction of $120,000. We're transitioned, I think, almost fully into a buyer's market. So homes that aren't priced properly, unfortunately, are going to sit or get reduced, as you're seeing here. But that is about a benefit to you as a potential buyer. So it's now down to $1,879,999. And this home in Clearwater Beach is waterfront. It's oceanfront. You can walk to the beach from this beautiful property. And it's got updated kitchen. It's been fully renovated. It's got an open floor plan. And like I said, this lifestyle, you can walk to the beach. You could be on a meeting in one of the bedrooms and decide to take a call from the water with a pina colada. These silly things do happen here. I promise you. I've seen people on business calls with their iPad in one hand and a margarita in the other. And that's the lifestyle that you can get here in the Gulf Coast. Like I said, there's plenty of homes that are actually sitting and getting reduced, and it's becoming a buyer's market here in the Gulf Coast communities. And if that's of interest to you, and you want to find out what's about the lifestyle that might have a benefit to you, please give me a call at 727-303-1521 or shoot me a DM at CD Selling St. Pete, and let's talk about your options and get you, here on the beach.